There is an insect, so heavily armored that it can be run over by a moving car and walk away completely unharmed. It traded the ability to fly for a shell so tough that scientists have to use power drills just to study it. Today, we are counting down 20 mind-blowing facts about the diabolical ironclad beetle. By the end, you will understand exactly why this tiny tank is a living marvel of natural engineering. Welcome to Amazing Small Animal Facts, the channel where we uncover unbelievable facts about the world's tiniest creatures. If you love the planet's strangest and toughest microbeasts, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Number 20. The diabolical ironclad beetle gets its intimidating name from its dark, rugged appearance and its near-indestructible shell. Despite the scary name, it poses zero threat to humans. It looks almost exactly like a small, rough piece of tree bark or a textured gray rock. Number 19. You will find these tough little beetles living on the continent of North America. They are native to the dry, desert-like environments and woodlands of the southwestern United States, primarily in Southern California, and stretch down into the northwestern regions of Mexico. Number 18. They are not very large insects. A fully grown adult diabolical ironclad beetle measures only about 1 inch long. They spend most of their time hiding under the bark of specific trees, mostly favoring old oak and cottonwood trees to build their homes. Number 17. Most beetles have a fairly short lifespan, often surviving for just a few weeks or months. The diabolical ironclad beetle, however, has a life expectancy of 7 to 8 years in the wild. This is a very long life for an insect of this size. Number 15. When faced with danger, their first line of defense is simply playing dead. If a bird or a lizard approaches, the beetle quickly pulls its antennae and legs tight against its body. Because it looks just like a pebble, predators usually lose interest and move on. Number 14. If playing dead fails and a predator decides to take a bite, the animal is in for a rude awakening. The beetle's shell is so hard that birds cannot crack it with their beaks, and lizards end up spitting the beetle back out because it is impossible to chew. Number 13. Even professional scientists struggle to handle them. When entomologists want to display one of these beetles in a museum collection, they cannot use standard steel insect pins. The steel pins will bend and snap. Researchers actually have to use small power drills to make a hole in the shell. Number 12. Unlike most other beetles, the diabolical ironclad beetle cannot fly. Millions of years ago, its ancestors had functional wings. Over time, the insect traded the ability to fly for maximum physical defense, fusing its wing cases completely shut to create a solid shield across its back. Number 11. This solid shield is completely watertight. Living in the dry heat of Southern California and Mexico, losing moisture is a constant threat. The tightly sealed shell prevents water from escaping the beetle's body, allowing it to survive long droughts in the harsh desert environment. We are officially down to the top 10. But first, a quick shout-out. This video is brought to you by PRD. Protect, respect, defend. Our mission is simple: to encourage more people to respect, protect, and care for animals everywhere, from wildlife around the world to our family pets. Check out the store link in the description to support the movement. Now, back to the top 10. Number 10. To truly test its limits, scientists ran over a live diabolical ironclad beetle with a 3,900-pound car. The tires passed directly over the insect on a dirt road twice. The beetle simply shook off the dust and continued walking as if nothing had happened. Number 9. Laboratory tests reveal exactly how much weight this creature can handle. The beetle can withstand a crushing force of 39,000 times its own body weight. For a human being, that would be the equivalent of holding a stack of 40 heavy battle tanks on your chest. Number 8. The secret to this extreme strength lies in the seam running down the center of its back. Instead of a flat edge where the two halves of the shell meet, the seam is shaped exactly like the interlocking pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, locking the two sides firmly together. Number 7. These jigsaw-like joints do not just hold the shell together. They distribute weight evenly. When heavy pressure is applied from above, the interlocking puzzle pieces spread the stress throughout the entire body, preventing any single point of the shell from cracking under the strain. Number 6. The shell is made of a complex material called chitin. However, this beetle adds a special protein matrix to its shell, essentially creating a biological glue. This extra protein makes the outer armor much tougher and more flexible than the shells of standard flying beetles. Number 5. When the pressure finally becomes too much, the puzzle joints do not snap or shatter. Instead, they undergo a process called delamination. The layers of the joints slowly peel apart one by one, giving the beetle time to escape before its vital organs are ever crushed. Number 4. This peeling process actually acts as a built-in shock absorber. By allowing the layers to separate slightly under extreme force, the beetle absorbs the energy of a predator's bite without breaking. Once the pressure is gone, the shell holds its overall shape and continues protecting the insect. Number 3. They are, strictly, vegetarians. Despite their heavy armor and tank-like build, these beetles spend their long lives peacefully scraping fungi off the inside of tree bark. They do not hunt other insects, preferring to quietly chew on fungus in the dark. Number 2. Aerospace engineers are currently studying this exact beetle to build safer machines. When humans build airplanes or gas turbines, they use metal rivets to join different parts together. These rivets add weight and create weak points that can eventually break under stress. Number 1. And the number one most extraordinary fact about the diabolical ironclad beetle is that it is directly shaping the future of human technology. Engineers have started three-dimensional printing mechanical joints, using the exact jigsaw geometry of the beetle's shell. These new beetle-inspired joints have proven to be far stronger and safer than traditional metal fasteners, meaning this tiny, ancient insect is literally teaching humans how to build indestructible machines. From surviving getting run over by cars to inspiring modern aerospace engineering, the diabolical ironclad beetle proves that size has nothing to do with strength. If this mind-blowing creature impressed you, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we uncover another incredible small animal doing something extraordinary. Don't forget to check out PRD via the link in the description. Thanks for watching until the end.